welcome to our YouTube channel, Brand Plumbers 254. Today I want to share something maybe most of you don't know. We want to change this leaking stopcock, and it's not working. As you can see, the knob is already worn out. So what we have to do, we don't have to break the dia ties so that we replace this new stopcock. What we have to do, the existing stopcock, what we do, we remove only the covers, a simple as that, and this jumper, just like that. Then we have this Allen key. This one I usually use it to open the cork. So before we open this one, because the line still water is already passing in it, what we do, we this new cork, this is how we disable it, like that. We get this one. The thing we want to change here is the only jumper here, this thing. So what we usually do, these are 5 inch, we hold it like this. Then we have this Allen key here, we fit it like that. Then you use a flat screw, as simple as that. Then you unscrew it. You see, this is the only thing we want here. You see this one, because the motherboard is still inside the wall, so we only need this one. Then likewise we do the same to the existing cork, as simple as that. You see water still in the line. Then we take our new stopcock. This is how we put it, as simple as that. Then we tighten it, as simple as that. You remove the Allen key. Then here we have our new covers. This is how you fit, as simple as that. Then your cover, as simple as that. We have our new knob, simple as that. Then we have our plug here. Then we are done, guys. Okay, see you in the next video, guys. Bye.